Good day everyone. Andito tayo ngayon sa Manila para pasyalan natin ang sikat na Dolomite Beach sa Manila Bay. Dolomite Beach ay isang man-made beach located in Manila Bay along Rojas Boulevard in Manila. Ito'y created as part of the Manila Bay Rehabilitation Project, which aims to clean and restore the Manila Bay. The Manila Bay Rehabilitation Project was launched by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources to address the pollution in Manila Bay. Dolomite Beach is a part of this larger initiative with the goal of creating a clean, accessible, and aesthetic beachfront area in the heart of the city. Creation of Dolomite Beach. The beach was created by overlaying the existing shoreline with crushed dolomite rocks, which were resourced from Cebu. Dolomite is a type of calcium magnesium carbonate mineral that is often used in construction and as a soil conditioner. The dolomite sand was used to enhance the appearance of the bay shoreline, giving it a white sandy beach look similar to popular beaches like Boracay. Dolomite Beach has been the subject of significant controversies. Critics have raised concern about the environmental impact of transporting and depositing dolomite, including potential harm to marine life and the health risk to people exposed to fine particles. There were also debates about whether the funds allocated to the project could have been better spent on more critical aspects of the bay's rehabilitation. On the other hand, supporters argued that the beach has beautified the area and provides a recreational space for the public. They believe that it could boost tourism and help improve the overall environment of Manila Bay. The beach stretches approximately 500 meters along Rojas Boulevard, though the actual width and length may vary due to tidal changes and ongoing development. Dolomite Beach is designed as public space where people can walk, relax, and enjoy views of the bay. There are beaches and walkways, and the area is landscaped with some greeneries. The beach is open to the public, but there are specific guidelines in hours of operation, which have been adjusted periodically due to health and safety concerns, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. The DNR has conducted studies and monitoring to assess the environmental impact of dolomite. According to the reports, the dolomite use is not harmful to marine life in its crust form. However, independent expert and environmental groups remain cautious. Ang dolomite sand is galing sa ganitong bato. Ayun, ito ang ganapan. So, balis ginawang sand, ito yun. Ito yun. I see. Yan. Before, ito yung before and after ng Manila Bay. Dati madumi. So yun. So, ayun. So di ba? Para ka lang nag-Boracay. Yes. So, madami yung namamasyal. So, as part of the long-term plan, there are proposals to extend the beach area and improve its facilities further. The project is envisioned to be part of broader efforts to turn Manila Bay into a more sustainable and cleaner urban waterfront. Beautiful. Since its opening, Dolomite Beach has drawn large crowds, particularly on weekends and holidays. The public's response has been mixed, with some appreciating the new beach as a pleasant addition to Manila's urban landscape, while others remain critical of its environmental and financial aspects. Future developments, the DENR continues to monitor the beach and plans for further improvements. There are also ongoing discussions about expanding the beachfront area and adding more amenities, potentially making Dolomite Beach a permanent fixture in Manila. Overall, Dolomite Beach is a symbolic and physical part of the broader efforts to rehabilitate Manila Bay, reflecting both the challenges and opportunities of the urban environmental management. Ang ganda dito, maglakad-lakad. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Salamat, mabalus!